Come hang out with me and Trevor today.
It's so beautiful out here.
I have a bunch of fruit and veggies. Okay, we're gonna go strawberries, some blueberries. Trevor, you want a blueberry? I'm sure he does. You want to share? That's what I always say before I give him something. Blueberry, you squish them first. Speak. Speak. Good boy. We share. That's why he's always begging. And I'll never not share. So, I mean, within reason. Oh, the sun is starting to come back out. I don't have contacts in, so if you see me squinting, that's why. I'm just watching the lawnmower guy.